Do you have old South African coins? Today I've got to share a very sad truth with you. That the coin market, coin dealers, coin buyers as you know it, is a scam. These coins aren't worth anything. They do not have any value. No coin like this is worth R1,000,000, not 100,000 rand. They're not even some of them are not even worth R1. It is a scam. South Africans, please, I kindly ask you, be careful. Do not pay anyone fees. The sad reality is there are very few coin dealers out there, true coin dealers. I am a numismatist. My name is John Hammer. My business is called JWH Coins, and we only deal in gold and silver coins. It's a very, very small amount. So please, let's have some responsibility. Let's share this video. Let's get out the truth to people. The sad reality is all these coin dealers on TikTok, on Facebook, all these guys saying they're going to buy your coins, it is a scam. And I can't report them. If I report them, I get reported. If I comment, they delete the comment. The only way we can take the power away from them, the only way we stop this fraud, if we share the truth. And the sad thing is these coins do not have value, but they're trying to steal your money. The very few you have, they might be trying to steal that. So let's share this video. Let's protect each other. Let's warn other South Africans of the scam that's happening in our country. Let's bring it to a stop. But I need your help. I need you to partner with me in sharing this message.